the timeless wisdom of nature's pharmacy. Imagine having a skincare and wellness toolkit filled with ingredients so powerful they've been used for thousands of years, long before modern medicine existed. These aren't synthetic chemicals or lab-made formulas. They're gifts from the earth itself, natural oils. Why nature's oils? Ancient roots, modern science. For 5,000 plus years, civilizations like Egypt, Cleopatra's famed rosehip and almond oil rituals, Ayurveda, sacred sesame and coconut oils, and traditional Chinese medicine have relied on plant oils for healing, beauty, and longevity. Today, research confirms what our ancestors knew. Oils like jojoba and argan are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids that outperform many synthetic products. So, are you ready to ditch synthetic fragrances and embrace the power of nature? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite essential oil or plant-based scent? Don't forget to like, subscribe,